Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix one of the annoying problem while connecting to your VPN. You might facing this problem. A connection to the remote computer cannot be established. You might need to change the network settings for this connection. So this is one of the annoying problem whenever you try to connect your VPN. So now I'm gonna show you how to fix this error. So watch this video till end. First of all, on your PC you need to go to the desktop, then right click on this PC, then you have to go to the manage. Then after you have to click on device manager. Inside device manager you need to go to the network adapters. Here we have to delete this current adapter settings including all WAN mini ports. I'm deleting WAN mini port SSTP, then delete WAN PPTP, then WAN PPPoE, then WAN network monitor, then L2TP, WAN IPv6, WAN IP, WAN IKEv2. On last we have to delete VPN client adapter also. After deleting all these, at the top row go to the action and click on scan for hardware changes. Now we are done. Now we have to go to our VPN connection and simply connect it. Now you will never face this error again. Hope this video will be helpful for you. For more tech videos like this, don't forget to subscribe channel. Thank you so much.